This video is about how many mobile phones I have used till now. So this is first mobile phone which I have used. This is second and this is third. So let me tell you about the specification in brief about my mobile phone. So this is Nokia C101 or something, I don't remember exactly. So this phone I bought in year 2011 and it is still working. However, I do not use this, but it is working. You can see. So this phone I used from year 2011 to year 2014, and this was good phone. Its cost was 2200 approximately. After this phone, I bought this in year 2014. Again, this is of Nokia brand, and I used this phone from 2014 to 2018 end of the year. This phone cost was also mm, 8000 rupees, and this was not completely Android, not also it was Windows, but I used to install Android application from another app store. There was no Play Store in this phone, but later I installed Play Store also in this app phone. So there was some problem in this phone after 2000 using for 3 years, more than 3 years. So its charging jack stopped working. I got this repaired a few times, but still it didn't work. Then I purchased another third smartphone in year 2019, starting of the year. So this is realme 3i, and its main specification is its RAM is 3 GB and ROM is 32 GB. I bought this phone in also rupees 8000. Both price was same. So this phone is also working fine, and from year 2019 till present I have been using this phone. This is good phone, and let's see which will be my next, means fourth smartphone. Whenever I will purchase, I will make a video about that. So see you soon in next video. Have a great day.